Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 2001 Saturn S2C, and in this video you will be getting shown how to go through all of this stuff. There will be a photo of the front and back of this towards the end of the video. First step is to let your motor run for about 5 minutes. So now that you have let your motor warm up for about 5 minutes, you want to check your oil level, which you just pull out your dipstick, spin it around, and right here on these little coordinate graphs, it's kind of hard to see it on the video, but there's little X's, that's what they look like. It says full line, and if your oil's past that, you are good. If it's to right about there, that's also pretty good actually. But if it's down there, you want to add some oil. But now the next thing that we need to figure out is what type of oil you need in your vehicle. Now if you come and look right over here, this is where you add your oil, and you always want to take that off when you're changing your motor oil so air can flow into there. But if you look, you can see this particular vehicle needs 5W30. Now that we are underneath our vehicle, we have to locate our crankshaft pulley, which is this pulley right over here. Underneath or next to that, you will find your oil drain pan. On the side of that, you will find a little drain bolt, which is this guy right here. Next, we need to locate our oil filter, which is right up here. Now that we have located everything, we need to position our drain pan about 6 inches away, because oil is going to squirt out, not just come right out from underneath. So now that we got our drain pan in position, let's just get our nut loose, which shouldn't be very hard. That's all it needs. And then you just start hand loosening it. Be a little careful. This is one of the messiest parts of changing your oil. Make sure you do not drop this. Now with our oil just dripping out, that is fine because we're not doing a complete flush, we're just changing it. You want to start by hand tightening the oil drain plug just so you don't cross thread them. Get it on there as tight as you can, and then just with this, take a couple quick turns at it. That's all you need, and then we will come back and torque it. Okay, so now that we have our torque wrench and we have it set to spec, to find the spec, you can use your owner's manual, service manual, Google online. We use an app called Protoman. You just find the torque specification for the oil drain plug. Once you find that, then you just come in here and you get it set just like that, and then bolts spec'd. We want to remove our oil filter. To do that, you just get in here, and they should be handless. And one thing that you need to know with this is to not drop it. It is going to make a mess. Just don't drop it in your oil. And as you can see in this particular vehicle, it's going to get covered all over everything. So now you just let that drain. So now that we have our oil filter off, you want to check for your O-ring, which once you buy them brand new, this will always be on there. But you want to make sure that on your other one that you just took off, you want to make sure that it came with it. It should look like this. But now to install, you want to just grab some oil and lubricate it. Just grab some oil on your finger and spin it around just like that. And then you can give me it on up here. So just want to fill up your oil now. Go slow so you don't overfill it. Especially with these small motors, they take a while. You can pause it. Okay, so now that we have got our oil back on, you can put your fill plug back in, and what you would do is go start your vehicle and check your oil. We went over your oil levels at the beginning of the video, so if you need to remember those, just continue back, but thanks for watching.